Alright. Hopefully you should be back. What I want to do. The storage. That's not it. Alright, how are we looking? Dashboard. Alright. So we're doing this next little bit here for it. What we want is our system which keeps the vehicle upright. Vehicle, camera on. Language, change that. Alright. Where's our script? There she is. This bit's also gonna come to you. Camera on. Vehicle, alright, that's good. That will keep it upright. Should keep it upright anyways. Alright, so that's some damage stuff. I'll sort the map marker out. Now we're just gonna make it destroy stuff in front of it. So we'll do some simple, this will just be simple stuff. It's right here. We want it to destroy stuff right here. So about 7.5 meters in front. Let's do that. Save that distance, 7.5. Zero spawn. While alive, Killdozer. do. What's our sleep timer? Sleep 3. And then what we want is for vehicles in front, like for when Killdozer rams enemy vehicles, we want them to just go flying. That's what we want. So what we'll do, we'll see how much energy is required to make things go flying. This is going to be I guess it'll be a fun bit. It's going to be mainly NATO stuff probably. We got on our Hunter, Prowler, APC, definitely a lot of Marshals are going to be coming. And then we're also going to do a tank. And then we don't want them to take damage. A lot of damage falls. How to use this. Forces in newtons. Objects relative position. Well, it's slightly random. So position, object relative position, force. But we also have to make it appropriate for the size. Cursor object. So we want small things to just get absolutely drop kicked out of the way, and bigger things to get not so drop kicked out of the way. We'll use our heaviest option, and we'll try to define like an energy budget for the launcher. So cursor object, add force, get mass, cursor object 0, 0, 0. Nah, it needs to be like directional. Huh? To object. Yeah, so that's directional. X, Y, Z. Zero for X. Actually, we gotta do this a bit smarter. Add force. Get mass. Cursor object. Add some randomization there. Mass. Get mass. Get mass, cursor object. Random. Let's just see what this does first. Random 3. Random 5. Random 5. Random 5. So I want to see what happens. Barely anything. Okay. What are these little sticks that? Were they there before? I don't remember those little sticks before. So that does almost nothing. We want it to be much greater. Times 10. There we go. Yep, that's what we want. Let's set it up again. See what we can do. Come on, up you get. There you go. So, this one will go, should be proportional, so this one should go flying about the same. Sort of. No, that's not how you do it. Come on. Come on, upright. No, that's not upright. I just want it to be upright. There we go. Oop. Oh shit. Okay. So we'll try launching this one. Alright, that's the mass. Wait, what did I just do anyways? Okay, we got our killdozer. Get mass. QS killdozer. And now we'll see just what this does. So I'm guessing it'll be about the same for the tank. Multiply that. Oh, hello. Oh fuck, that's too much. That's too much. Oh god. It'd be fun though. Alright, that's too much. So we'll back it off down to 10. Alright, that's too little though. I want it to be ballistic. But that was okay. I like these pretty randomized, that's okay. I'll take that. Yeah, normal armor physics. We're gonna put some some stuff in to mitigate the physics. I don't mind if they go flying, but the killdozer can't go flying. He's got to stay deadly. So we're gonna protect the killdozer from Arma physics. So that one went flying. This one should go even more flying. Yeah. Okay. So he's still flying. That's a lot of physics. Yeah, I'm trying to make it like see, it's the killdozer that's gonna be doing the damage. So like logically it should send a hunter flying further than a tank. So that like it'll be proportional. I'm not sure what sort of math to use, but it should be like relative to the amount of force the killdozer can impart minus the mass of the vehicle, like the target. So this little guy should just be he should be gone. Gone. Like a football. Like a football. Problem is then this, like you can imagine this guy, the player, whoever tried to ram killdozer, if he was in this thing, he's now out of the fight. He's not having a good time, respawning. I don't necessarily want that. I want him to be able to get out and hop into like another vehicle. So we're going to do damage to the vehicle, but we're also going to send it flying a little bit. Maybe I can reduce some of the vectoring, some of the upwards. So we'll cut some of the upwards force down. Random mass divided by 2, maybe more. X, Y, X I like, Y like. I want them to be pushed back a little bit though. I mean, they're getting pushed back, it's just, I don't know. So my test vehicles, actually I'll use the Marshal. So he goes flying. That's still too high. Like it's just, this is like a 5 wood. Like this is like a 5 wood, or like a 9 distance. So this is something not. We can find a number. What's XYZ? So that should have been XYZ. That should have been. That just should have been. we'll try to knock out that vertical loft. There we go. That's what we want. So we want like we want it just to get its ass pushed backwards. Tanks, I want a bit more than that. I want a bit more out of you. No, it's right. Like I like that. I like that. I like that sort of distance and like tossed around, but not tossed far away. And this is randomized as well. We want it. We're gonna be random X, Y, Z, X, Y, 5 plus random 5. Oh, spin on that one. I mean, it should look a little cartoonish, but not that much. That's too much. So how'd that happen? 3 plus random 3. Nah, still a bit wonky. I mean, I don't mind if someone in their prowler gets tossed up that high if he's trying to ram me. That's still pretty high though. That's a long way. I gotta go to the map to get that one back. Yeah, it's gotta be related to the vehicle somehow. Cursor object times 10. But we do want the little guys to go flying further. So so random 5 X Y Z. We'll try 0 on that. Try that. It's not good enough. It's gotta be like So we'll just do get mass cursor object plus maybe give it a number, huh? Maybe 5,000. So we'll give a constant number for the killdozer. So that looks like that. Not big enough. I need more. Give it 10,000. 10,000? Nah, still not there. Needs to go flying. 500 here. These aren't big enough. No. 5. Minus 200. Y. Minus 300. Not what we want. Come on, upright. There you go. So, minus 300. Yeah, nah, we need more. Minus random mass. Not quite seeing what I want. This one's not even moving. What are you doing? Okay. I do actually have a piece of old Killdozer script in the files. We're going to see what it does. Side mission escort vehicle. This actually came from the Killdozer a while ago. The bit of code that launches our vehicle up into the air. Armored vehicle velocity. Armored vehicle velocity. Launch. Okay. $35 of remote exec. Let's go see what that says. Number 35. 33, 34, 35. Push vector. Set velocity, push vector. That's just using set velocity. I don't really want to use set velocity. I want to use this set force stuff. So let's try to bring it back to something usable. Random mass, random mass. 300 there. 10,000. Add force. 5. That's okay. If I can get them all like that, I'd be happy. They're all sort of spinning the same way, huh? Y. Yeah, so what we need here is -10 plus and -5 plus random 10 for our x values. X is negative negative mass plus random mass 2 times random mass. Random mass negative plus random mass x, y, I don't care, just that x value. X value we do care about. And upright again. And now it's alright. Is that what we want? Random mass. Random mass times 2. Getting somewhere, getting somewhere. Let's get our x value, our y value. They're not flying forward, that's for sure. X, y, okay. And z equals array. Live kill, those are due. Front objects, so equals. It's our near entities syntax again. Near entities position. What sort of position AGL? Okay. So let's pick what we want here. Bulldozer. Get rel pause. Is get rel pause. AGL as well. Hope so. Yes, it is. Directions 7, 0. Okay. What's the syntax there? It was distance direction. So 7.5, 0. Front objects. Bulldozer. Near entities. Land vehicle. Air. Just in case, we'll put boat as well, in case they get excited. Near entities. Maybe 10. That's the syntax, I think. Near entities, like that. 10. Alright. So those are our front objects. Front objects equals select live x and x is not equal to, we don't want to launch ourselves, is not equal to Killdozer. These are our front objects. Private victim equals, so if is not equal to empty, then victim equals front objects like 0. So front objects like 0. Now, alright, we got our victim. If alive victim, then private bulldozer mask, just call it 10. Mass constant 10,000. Mass equals mass constant plus get mass okay. Mass equals yeah, that, I guess we'll see, huh? We'll actually use a we might use a function for that. Mass equals get mass victim. Mass calc equals mass constant plus mass multiplier. See you, Miner. Have a good night. Passing out at 3 or 4 in the morning again. Mass multiplier 10. Mass times mass multiplier. That's our calculated mass there. Or calculated force, whatever. Victim, add force. I'll just copy this in. Too much left and right. Too much left and right movement. So, well, we'll just leave it for now because we're lazy. Force there, random force, 300, something like that. Looked alright. And then, I'll just copy it in, whatever. So we got our X and Y values, 5, random 5. Alright. This looks like something might happen, hopefully. 0 spawn while I've killdozer. If live so we're doing a live check in here just so nothing's happening while it's unattended. Effective commander. Alright. Looks like it's about time to check for script errors. Make sure our Bobcat's named first. Actually, I want to get these up right. Come on. Up you go. Get the hunter out there. Alright. So our killdozer. It's done. Now we're going to check for what we want is for things in front of the plow to just get launched. Right now there's no effect, so it's just gonna happen. Like that. Except it's too much sideways action. Always sideways. Yeah, that looks alright. We want it to just go up. Oh, okay. Alright, so we got something going on there at least. Alright, now we want an effect. So, reach into this old script. So we'll want maybe a landmine, huh? Couple landmines. And we'll do one landmine, huh? So, and then create mine IED type. Come up here, find our IED type in this script, if I can find it. Should be somewhere. AT mine, there we go. Basically, this is more for effect. Just more for effect, that's all. Well, that was not what I wanted. That was not what I wanted. So the vehicle took off way before the landmine would blow up. So we need to do something about that. I think it was, I'm not sure. It looked okay, I'm just not sure why it did it like that. That was just bizarre. Maybe I'll just go slower this time. And the mine doesn't blow up. What on earth is going on? Ah, maybe it's just not even set to blow up. That's why. Stupidity again, see? Just stupidity. Yep. It comes down to. Alright, we're getting close to a live fire demo here. I can feel it coming. Bulldozer's that one. Alright. We're going to set this tank. Marshall's ready to go. But too far away. Alright, that's getting there. So we'll apply some of the other scripts, and then we'll do a bit of a live fire test. So we'll just put on these. These are our damage reduction scripts. We should be able to take a fair amount of damage now. Where is a T100? Alright, we got a T100 in the field. Live fire. Bulldozer versus T100. Oh, see my damage in the top right? It's slowly inching up. Oh, 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 oh. Chasing, chasing. Yes. This is what I want. Oh, that hurt. He's taking damage, that's good. He's not getting blown up right away. That's what I want. Oh, now he's in trouble. He's taking it. Like, I don't necessarily want him to take that many hits. There we go. Alright, so I took 6% damage on that. That's pretty good. Happy with that. There's a couple things needed. We need to protect ourselves from aircraft. But this gun's a bit puny for that. What to do? I think the goes just go without a gun. At least for the first one. And now we also have to do a map marker so people can see the damages. And then how do you round to decimals? Figure out how to round up to decimals in this thing. Round 5.25, so I want it damage. What's the way to trim off extra numbers? So we round to 2 decimals. Main page categories. We go categories. What's the way to math functions? I thought there was a way to round to 2 decimals in SQF. Is it floor or steel? Nope. Floor. Any other math functions in here? Need to find some math functions. And no math functions there. So where is where's our function that we need? This is probably the right thing, yeah? Yeah, okay. So our marker will be like this. So that's that function. Right now we want a map marker so people can see it coming. And then we have to display the health in the map markers. Format. Killdozer format. 1 -, damage. 1 minus damage Killdozer. 1 minus 0.06. So Killdozer health. 1 minus damage Killdozer. Let's see what happens, huh? Let's just see what happens. So, guess marker test true. Just so I can get rid of this script if I need to. If exit with, that way I can test it if I need to. 1 minus damage. I forget whether this has to be a string or not. I guess we'll find out, huh? A percent, huh? So we'll end this marker test and redo it. Get rid of that marker. 93%, 1 minus damage Killdozer times 100. Oh, sure what I did there. Alright. Round. Now I can round it to the nearest number there. Try again. All we're doing is getting the marker to display the health. So we got our value there. Now we just round this. And now we should have a nice 93%. Killdozer health 93%. I like that. Be health or armor? Change it to armor. Okay. Get that. Let's see how resistant it is to gunships. So we'll spawn a Kajman, something like that. Maybe 1 or 2, I don't even know. So it's gonna see how much damage I can take from a Kajman and still keep going. I want to see those air-to-ground missiles. He's sort of failing. Okay, that was a bit of a fail. I wanted to use the. Maybe we'll try the Orca. He will definitely use those missiles on me. Where are we? Okay. Yep. I don't even know where he is. This way? Oops. behind. Come on, little guy. I want him to use his guided missiles on me. I know he's got them. Oh, there's a target. Or is it not initialized? The old boom boom. Oh, there it is. How hard is it to get attacked around here? Come on. You gotta do better than that. Drones, come on. Need something here. Maybe this drone. Link them up to that group. That guy. So I just gotta make sure I'm not gonna get mauled by the other things. Why isn't he flying? He should be flying. Oh well. It worked anyways. Let's find some sort of vehicle that's going to attack me. How about a Blackfoot, but change its group to enemy? Now please attack. So taking almost no damage from that, which is, it's okay. It should take slight damage, that's what I want. I want minor damage from aircraft. Let's see if he's going to use his missiles on me. Something's got to use missiles, come on. Come on, there you go. Missile time. I mean, I don't mind not taking much damage from gas. That's not a big deal. Make sure I can still take damage from AT mines. So let's just drive over this. 8.9% damage. 9% damage. Here we go. 9%, 13. Oh, that did a fair bit. 93%. That's not reflecting. That marker's got to update. So, where's our marker? Text, the text has to update. So we'll change that to a private variable. And then when the marker updates, private damage. Damage is that. If damage is not equal to damage, we're just going to update the marker text based on the damage of the thing. So we don't want it updating all the time. That, you know, it's marker updates affect server, like they they're like network messages, so we don't want to spam the network with things. So the damage that's currently in there is not equal to the current damage, then we update. So damage killdozer, and then we update the text as well. But we still have to set marker text. My marker, mil dot, let's do this one. All right. Marker test false for a sec. Oh shit, he's still attacking. Oh. Yes, marker test equals false. So wait for the marker to go. Scale. Like that. Instigator is kind of air. You also want to watch out for ammo from like ground vehicles and stuff. Kind of leery about that actually. I might get like a list of projectiles that we allow to do damage. That hurt quite a lot. 50% damage. I think we're ready for a bit of a test though. I still do need the camouflage though. Maybe that will be... Where would that script be? V setup to Bobcat. Go down to our Bobcat. East resistance. Show camera plates. So this is what I want. Set object texture. So we're going to change the look of it as well. Go back in once more, see what we can do. Actually, we have enough to go to the server to try this out. See what we can do. Hopefully there aren't too many players. If there's too many, then it's not good for the server. 16. Vietnam. Where are you? Just going to try this on a server. It's not perfect, like it's not plug and play yet, the Skilldozer thing, but it's enough to where it might be a bit of fun. See if I can find it. Show, did they come out? There you are. Oh, 65 players. It's a lot. So I gotta be careful. Gotta be careful to not do too much. 67, yeah. Getting up near the max. Oh, let's some volumes down. How did I die at base? Bizarre. Well, forget that. Where are we going? What do we got? What do we got? What server shall we go to? To go to a server where I can still do something. It's not worth it. All good, all good. So what it looks like now, let's have a look. Spawn in our guy. That's an awkward area anyways. Let's do it out here. Spawn in our guy. Zeus module. Get down a Bobcat. Execute some of this stuff. Do I want that bit of code? I do. And then that one, yes, just these two blocks. Basically the whole top bit is executable now. Alright, got it. So, get a couple T100s out there. And then it says 100% armor. I should be able to. Oh, 99%. Oh, that hurt. Oh. Where's the other guy? So what damage are we at? 68% armor. So I am taking hits. We are taking hits. Alright, I like that. I'm gonna tie it so like It only has an effect when I'm holding down the shift key, like the turbo fast forward key. I feel like doing something like that, just so I can control whether or not I get a big explosion. The idea isn't to kill him; it's sort of just to damage him real bad. Alright, couple more. See what they got. Ooh, he's got a nice side shot. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, direct it. Oh. He's done. I'm taking too much damage, actually. I'm almost dead now. Oh, that's bad. 6% armor. So, and he's done. Oh, if I get in, he'll be fucked. Yes, that's that. Nice. Needs a little bit more survivability against armor. But not much. Not much. So where's our files? Damage scale. Try 0.4. Yeah, about that. Scale air. Scale mine. Alright, that should be good. The idea of this is like a just a hasty mission. Like if you have Zeus and a debug console, you can basically just, like, you can come up here. Wow, that's a lot of mess. Find the player. Basically spawn in a bobcat. Execute the stuff on it. You don't want to be nearby, obviously. So you can put like a, actually, we want to put a guy in there. So he's got to be invincible, probably. So he's our driver. Chuck that in. Player's got a bunch of tanks. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you. Can we send them? Oh. Should be one more up somewhere. One more tank somewhere. Oh, it's way over there. Yes, he's fucking him up. You see if I can catch up to him and lay him out before he kills me. 64% armor. I still want even maybe slightly more armor. A few tanks could still take this guy out when I want it to be exceedingly hard. He's running, he's running. Oh shit. He's running. Knows he's in trouble. Oh. Yeah, that's sort of the idea. That's the idea. Why am I not AI? Some sort of AI thing. Let's see just how damaged these things get from that. I can flip it. Probably can't flip them. Oh, don't go in there. No, you don't.